What's going on, everyone? Will Mitchell here. It is a beautiful Saturday. I guess right now it is Saturday. I'll tell you the exact dates, you guys know. Saturday, October 16th. We're halfway through October right now and had a nice morning going out fishing, now in the office working. And we gave a sales update that we actually just put out for the past couple of months, but we were having a discussion after talking about high-level details on what's going on in the market. As you guys are probably aware, I'm the regional owner for RE/MAX Belize, which gives me access to data that basically no one else has. In Belize, RE/MAX is the largest company by a long shot. We have 75 agents currently, over 12 offices. We span countrywide all the way from Corozal in the north down to Punta Gorda in the south. So basically we have probably the best market data given the fact that there's no MLS in Belize, which there's a disadvantage and an advantage to that. That's a whole other topic of discussion that we can get into in another video if you guys want us to talk about that. But the reason I talk about this right now is because we want to share, just to give you guys perspective into where the market is. We have a lot of people submitting offers. Really, it's, properties are selling every day right now in the market with our team, and it's a very, very healthy market. But we want to share with you guys so you have full perspective and perfect information what's going on, at least with inside of RE/MAX. So we did a little bit of an analysis, we did some digging. We have access to all the historical data for RE/MAX offices in Belize for the past several years. And what we wanted to identify was what was the net change of gross commission volume in the pandemic, as well as after in 2021, and what was the change in total transaction volume. So we went through and we did a little bit of digging on that. I have a little report that we've put out as well. It was John Turley, who we worked hand in hand with on this. But basically, we have the report right here. Total sales volume increased 8.7% from 2019 to 2020, which was then followed by a staggering 167.7% increase from 2020 through the first 8 months of 2021. So based on the current year-end projections, we're going to be looking at actually a 301% year-over-year increase from 2020 to 2021. So what you would have expected with the world ending going into 2020, a dip in transaction volume and a dip in commission volume for RE/MAX. But what was astounding was that it actually increased. Even though it was just a marginal amount, we did see that 8.7% increase. But the truly fascinating part is going into 2021, what we've seen so far and what the projections show for the end of the year, a staggering 300% increase. And those years were some of the best years for commission volume leading into this, even in 2019. So it's really amazing to see that. We have some more data here. So since the beginning of the pandemic, the Belize RE/MAX total transaction volume has been 183 million. So very healthy. It's going to be, as we said, projected to be a 300% increase. Basically, the market has changed a lot. There's different purchasers entering this market now. People that want to make a change of pace. They want to get away from the US. They want to get away from Canada. They've gone through the pandemic and thought, maybe it's time that we shift gears a bit. Investors looking to diversify away from the US economy, diversify away from stocks, bonds, whatever the case may be. Diversify away from US dollars, holding your funds in US dollars. And the Belize market has been a great source for that. One of the primary reasons that I really love it is that even in a financial crisis, we have a very healthy real estate market. And this goes again back to the fact that we're the only ones who have access to this data. Even during the 2008-2009 financial crisis, what we saw was that RE/MAX Belize as a whole had an increase in transaction volume. This is counterintuitive. The reason is it's a counter-cyclical market, and when things do hit the fan, generally we tend to see investors putting their funds abroad, away from the US, away from Canada, away from Europe, looking for ways to diversify, not even worried about getting a return on their investment, just keeping their investment and keeping their holdings safe. And given the fact that this isn't a highly leveraged market, we don't have these big fluctuations in real estate values. It's generally a cash market. You might get some financing, but overall, this has an impact on the stability of the market. So you're not going to see a ton of foreclosures down here because we just don't have a lot of highly leveraged properties where people are defaulting, but it gives you that stability. So quick little report on the overall market for you guys. Crazy to see what's going on right now. projections for 2022 with a lot of the new developments happening in the market. Just looking like it's just going to get better. So really exciting times. If you guys have any questions about this or any of the, want to deal with any of the Remax offices or any questions about anything Belize related, as always guys, shoot us an email. More than happy to help with that, and we can't wait to see you down here in paradise. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of amazing content coming. And also check out our book on Amazon, The Investor's Guide to Belize Real Estate. In it, we detail all the things you'd want to know if you're looking to make an investment in the Belize market. We had experts such as lawyers, bankers, architects, builders, all get involved in the making of this book. It's available on Amazon and Kindle. Aside from that, can't wait to see you guys down here. And don't forget to say hi to Chewy.